Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to see someone old stories on Instagram. So simply there are two methods which I'm going to describe. Simply first of all open the Play Store and type here screen recorder. So here you can download any screen recorder, but I will prefer this screen recorder. You can also record them or take them screenshots as well. So in this way you can see. Another way I'm going to tell you, just open Google Chrome and type this website ASA schedule. So when you download this application in your cell phone, so by this app you can easily see someone old stories on Instagram. Also you can notice their post story timing, and you can also make the schedule to note that. So in this way you can easily see someone old stories on Instagram.